Hey, it's John from Experian. Today I'll walk you through how to open a bank account online. Don't worry, it's pretty easy to do, but you definitely should think over a few things before opening a bank account online. To start off, think of where you want to open your account. Are you okay with an online-only bank? Or would you rather open an account at a bank or credit union with physical branches? You'll also want to think about what kind of access they offer to ATMs, what kind of fees they charge, what interest rates they offer, and whether they have good customer service. And don't forget to find out whether you'll be able to write checks. Once you've settled on where to open your account, it's time to pick the type of account you want. Do you need a traditional checking account that lets you write checks and provides quick, easy access to your money? Or are you in the market for a savings account? Keep in mind that savings accounts pay interest, while most checking accounts do not pay interest. When you're ready to open your account, you'll need to gather some key information and verify your identity. Of course, that includes your name, address, phone number, and email address. In addition, you'll provide your social security number or tax ID number. Also, you'll need to prove your identity with a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license. A second form of ID also may be required. This may be your social security card or your birth certificate, for example. The final step, putting money into your new account. Some financial institutions might ask for a minimum deposit of $25 to $100. Other financial institutions might not require an initial minimum deposit at all. So, those are the steps you need to take to open a bank account online. See you next time.